Hi, my name's Janet. I've been a qualified nurse for 37 years and thought probably I would die in work. I never actually considered retiring. I've worked with nurses of 75 plus. But now it's not an option on the table for me because after April, unless I've had the vaccination, the jab, then I won't be in a job anymore. And I've had to think about that long and hard and cried a few tears. But behind me you see empty walls because I've sold my house. Because after April, I won't be a nurse anymore. I'm just coming up to retirement age. So really, if I lose my job, it's no biggie. But I've also lost my home. I've also lost the years that I put nursing before my family, of being a mother, a grandmother, and a wife. All because I've been told that I have to sign up for a clinical trial. Very strange, isn't it, that if I'd have gone into work and said, I'm going to take part in a clinical trial, everybody would have told me I was completely bonkers and how dangerous it was. But now I've been told to. So I'm standing with the NHS. I'm standing for the staff who have decided not to do what they've been told. Because at the end of the day, working in the NHS, we've been telling them what's wrong for years and they've never listened to any of us. Because our opinion didn't matter. And we've now reached a point that their opinion doesn't matter either. So for all those people in the NHS, I support you. I'm a nurse and I support you. I support your decision for body autonomy. I support your decision to do what you think is right. I support your decision to follow your conscience. Because when you're told to do something that you know is morally and ethically wrong, then you have to take a stand. Sometimes we can't do it in work because we're there to protect people and not make their decisions for them. To allow them to make the decisions, even if they're not the right decisions, because that's who we are. Thank you.